Video! Okay, video!
The giver of the... Thank you for the sponsor.
Presents 152 young men and 165 young women. A total of 317 grade 10 leaders of Quezon City Science High School.
Pa-vlog na pa nga. Magtatapos 2025-2026. Ang daming nakapila. Akala ka naman. Video? Yung event. Sino gusto mo patiin?
Science, di ba?
Even our entry into Pasay was far from the perfect moment we had ever dreamed of. 4 years ago, we saw how much the COVID-19 pandemic changed our world.
Jacinto! Wow! Hi, Mom. You're so pretty. Congratulations. Na-advisor na. Congratulations. Huwag makulit. Pictures, faculty and staff. So, mabala lang yung iba.
All teaching and non-teaching personnel,
Sing hi, Mama Boo.
Hi, Mama Boo.
Congratulations! Galing-galing.
Hi, Sunano. Ayaw kita. Asa sila? Okay. Wala pa sila. Happy graduation day! My hair is not yet. Happy graduation day! Mwah! Tara na! Okay, these are the beautiful teachers. Hi, Sir Agra. Hi, ma'am.
Ginamit pa tayo sa vlog niya.
Ano? Gusto ko yun.
Ginamit pa tayo sa vlog niya. Dahil dyan, kikita niya.
Hi, ma'am. Ay, wala pa si Jacinto. Hi, sir. Ibang mga itsura dito kagabi. Pagod.
And our school's division superintendent, Carleen Celia.
Right. I have the honor to present to you 149 young men and 177 young women for a total of 326 graduating students of Quezon City Science High School for school year 2023-2024.
By the authority vested within me by the Department of Education and through the certification of your principal, Ma'am Caroline Simon, that you have all successfully and satisfactorily completed the academic requirements as prescribed by the K-12 curriculum for basic education for senior high school, specifically for Science High School in the Philippines. This is school year 2023-2024. I now confirm your graduation this 31st day of May 2024 at Quezon City Science High School. Congratulations.
Mga teachers and countrymen here at the back. Si Ma'am P.
In this era of rapid change, your contributions, particularly in science and technology, are more important. You decide and you choose that my power should be used for the good of the world.
Wait pa lang forward. Forward slide. Good line. Ganon. Dito po. Down.
Yan, nice one.
Pagpapili ako ng itim. Wait lang.
Ma'am, kayo po sa gitna, ma'am.
Ako Julie.
Ma'am, baka kayo ng
Principal po namin. Principal po yan eh. Tapos naka-violet pa sa akin. Ayan. Hindi naisip ko kayo nagpalit nga ako. Ano ka ba? Ang ganda.
Oo, sa baba ng konti dito, ma'am. Kayo po, second row, ma'am. Second row lang, ma'am. Ma'am, kayo po, ma'am. Pupunta, ma'am. Kayo po, pupunta, ma'am. Oh, okay na. Second row, ma'am. Second row. Okay na, ma'am. Saktan po yan.
Okay. Ay, ako. Faster.
Okay, ready.
Ipapicture mo na kayo.
Ready. 3, 2, 1. Okay, another one more. Okay, ready. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Another walking. 3, 2, 1. Nice one.
Pinalit ko lang sabi ako.
Ma'am.
Okay na ba? Video ko, sir.
Take
position.
Okay.
Walking na ba ulit?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, second room. Okay, ready. 4. Okay, walking. 3, 2, 1. Ang ganda na.
Wait lang po! Yung isa namin! Yung principal! Hindi ako wala nila!
Okay, ready. 3, 2, 1.
Ay, formal.
4 on. Another one. Isang walking shot. 3, 2, 1. Another pose. One more. 3, 2, 1. Nice one.
Thank you!
Tama.
Everybody go. 3, 2, 1. Ay, dito ako pala kanina. Oh! Yeah. Hi, sir. Sir. Ayan, sige, yung atom lang po dalawa.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bakit ka ba? Ba yan? Let's go. Let's celebrate graduation day. Hi. This is a Cinto. This is the Margate Hall of Quezon City Science High School. This is the newly built, what's this? Gymnasium. This is the Belmonte Hall. Nori in the house, at the Nori in the house. Mambalya Julie. Hello.
God bless. See you soon.
See you soon. Ito, si Julie D. Video. Hey, ma'am. Tadan! Video muna kay Mama Boo. During recognition, care of Jaramilia.
Yan na yun, cornic lang.
It is one of the projects of the Alcala Awards, a non-stock non-profit organization launched on March 1, 2023 to continue Dr. Alcala's legacy through projects and activities that promote his scholarly works, honor achievements. For Quezon City Science High School, upon recommendation by the school and evaluation and confirmation by the Alcala Awards Committee, under existing rules, the National Scientist Dr. Angel C. Alcala Award for Academic Excellence in Science is presented to Bienvenido Certificate of Recognition, a plaque, a copy of the book, A Love Affair with Mother Nature, a biography of Dr. Alcala by Bettina Rodriguez Olmedo and Amadis Maria Guerrero, and a cash of 10,000 pesos. Congratulations. Let us give him a warm round of applause.
This is the kind of training Kisai gave us. One that enables us to see the beauty and light amidst challenges. To use our talents skillfully for the common good, and to be compassionate and considerate of others' weaknesses.
Natan.
You held your head like a hero on a history book page.
meron na lahat.
After 6 years, so last na yan. Mula dito sa Quezon.
Sabay-sabay, 1, 2, ulit mo nga, ulit mo. Ganito lang sabihin na mula dito sa Quezon, kita-kita tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, go! Mula dito sa Quezon, kita-kita tomorrow!